this video I will going to demonstrate how to create contracts in ERP. This will be a login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address. Like here I am entering the email address of an employee. In password you will going to enter the password. Now click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to payroll. Now click on contracts, which is a submenu of contract. In order to create new contract in system, click on create button. Now as soon as you will click on create button, a form will open. In employee you will select the employer for which you are making the contract. Suppose here I am making the contract for employee Rajat Pal. As soon as you will select the employee, all details of the employee like designation, department and employer type will automatically fetch. Here in document, contact document reference, you will going to enter any contact document reference. In salary structure, you will define the salary structure of this particular employee. For example, let us suppose this employee belongs to GAIL NCR O&M Region 1. So I'm selecting the salary structure for GAIL NCR O&M Region 1. As soon as you will select the salary structure here, you can see that the leave encashment and bonus will automatically fetch according to the salary structure. In basic salary, we're going to enter the basic salary of the employee. For example, here I am entering the basic salary as 12,000. Here you can see working schedule will automatically fetch, or you can also change the working schedule according to the employee. Here you will see that pay days calculation is fixed. You can also change the pay days calculation as number of days in month. Here you will define the pay days of that particular employee. For example, here I am entering the pay days as 18. Here you will going to enter the probation period of the employee. Here you will going to enter the duration of the contract. Here you will going to enter the notice period of the employee in days. For example, here I am entering the notice period as 60. In benefits, any particular benefits that you want to give to this particular employee, you will add here. Please note, contract closure notes will be added when you will going to terminate or close the contract for that particular employee. As soon as you will select the salary structure, allowances and deductions will automatically fetch according to your salary structure. For example, here I am giving that standard deduction allowance is 500. And deductions here I will give as 200. In other information, you will going to enter the salary general here. It will be salary general for all employees. Here notes, any specific notes that you want to give for this particular employee, you can add here. After filling all the details in the system, click on save button. As soon as you will click on save button, the contract in the system will be created. If you want to confirm this particular employee, click on confirm button. If you want to terminate this particular contract, click on terminate. And if you want to extend this probation period of this particular employee, click on probation extended. All the contracts that you made in system with the status will going to reflect on your screen. Like here you can see that the status of all the employees that I have entered here is on probation. This is how you will handle the contracts in ERP.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.